na wakapitisha. Haki ni furaha.
Kambi mar Farmers Choice ne obago nyasi mar tet oko ayanga ya lap makawa West North Side kama jotedo mopogore nochopo mar nyiso lony margi mar loso kit ring'o mopogore. Dwaro maduong' mar nyasi no ne en puoyo jopith jamni e yore mopogore kaka miyo gi puonj makende, chudo maber kod chiwo mar chiemb jamni e nengo modok piny mondo mi oganda oyud chiemo mopuodhi kendo maber e yo mayot. Jotedo manochopo e piem no nonyiso nyadhi mag chiemb Kenya duto kokale tet margi.
Farmers real time when they supply to us, and before they even supply the product to us, we work with them on the ground. We support them with the genetics. We support them with the extension services to make sure that we can be able to help them manage their farms. We do a lot of training because of farm management. And over and above that, we also support with the genetics because the breeds and the different genetics, be it across the livestock chain. Farmers Choice does not only work with the pork farmers, we work with the beef farmers, we work with the poultry farmers, and we also work with the pastoralists who supply to us, and even lamb and goats. For these farmers, we also avail to them feeds at subsidized price, so that with these partners, we are working with them to make sure that we come up with appreciating the recipes of all different diverse consumers, and be able to come up with other additional recipes in the best way for our consumers to experience. For a smoky, for example, you can experience it as a smocha or a smoky on its own.
Swadi yomoro machuka neno ote maruka ndio imore driver neni makare with my dad Daniel Otieno maendi nyakwar bazu kawuok Sondo. Best wishes to all. Erokamana inya nyakwar bazu. Ma John Jaramola